Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip at Trade Genius. All right, so basically, kind of a quick update. Going to do an evening update because most of you are going to be taking tomorrow off, so we'll just do an update tonight. Now, we're looking at this monthly level here to hold for price. We had a volume node at this level as well, so that currently has buoyed price quite a bit, and I think this low here will hold for a bit. Normally, under normal circumstances, just looking at Bitcoin alone, I would say there's probably a high probability of a bounce to the 5,500 area. Even you could say extend up to the 6,000 range where the shorts would come in probably in force and try to push that back down. However, we've been having an issue with being tied to the stock market. This doesn't really get a lot of airtime, but I think it's pretty blatantly obvious here on a 4-hour chart that as the S&P 500 goes, so does Bitcoin. Now, granted, there is a break with the holiday, Thanksgiving holiday, so even though the futures are open, there's really just no volume, and there probably won't be much volume on Friday either. So you could see basically the markets drift up, and I would suspect that Bitcoin would go with it. Obviously, we have a big volume void here, so price moving back up into the 5,500 area by the weekend is entirely possible. But by come Monday, when the markets reopen, the stock market has a bit of a history of being down post Turkey Day. So you want to be careful about what happens on Monday, Tuesday. So if Monday, Tuesday are down, Bitcoin's probably going to see some red, unfortunately. Until this market correlation breaks and we start deviating away from what the stock market is doing, the stock market moves matter, unfortunately. So need to bear that in mind. Now, that being said, I mean, there's still levels to be respected, and we took advantage of a trade earlier where we just closed this out actually for a 7% gain on Bitcoin. Came down to those levels we were looking at, entered at 4,200 off of this nice double bottom, and we exited out on a more or less a trailing stop at $4,500. So 7% gain there. If you guys are interested in those types of signals, we do have our Black Friday specials. You can get into the room and get those signals for just $2.99. That's for 12 months, guys. In addition to these other packages, if you're interested in various things like training, coaching, stocks, ETFs, and etc. This big package here is a buy one, get one free if you want to give one for a gift. So yeah, so there are opportunities here, guys, but obviously I think for the week, basically what I'd be looking at is if we can get a nice bounce here before Monday where the stock market's back in force again, then I think really I think there's an opportunity for some more gains to the upside. But I would be a little leery come Monday, okay, as the stock markets reopen. Weekly chart, all we're going to be looking for is a weekly chart at this point now, guys, is a higher high for the bulls. Otherwise, every move up into prior resistance is an opportunity just to take a short trade or take a TUSD BTC inverted pair trade if you're looking to grow your Bitcoin on a Bitcoin down move. All right, so that's inverse pairs trade on Binance and Bittrex. So that's pretty much it right now, guys. Heading into the 4-day weekend. You know, again, I think there's an opportunity for some upside here. But again, when the markets reopen come Monday, I think historically speaking, you have to be cautious where the stock markets tend to sell off after Thanksgiving. And unfortunately, Bitcoin is going to be tied to that price action. So as such, you'll be looking for smaller time frames, intraday areas of support and resistance. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you after the holiday. We'll do a video probably on Friday. All right, guys, take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.